Blitz. I'm playing this game for 5 years. I'm doing my replay right now. Playing Big Boss. Yeah, I'm in the M-V-Yoh. You can see some epic stuff happening around. No, he says. Now, it's a good battle. I'm not gonna tell you how many kills I have, because that's the best part. No, that's not the best part. You'll see when we go through this video. See, the Cario 45T is the boss, is their boss. And the Type A one is our boss. More health is good. The BZ75 just got hit. That's not good. No, I will say this. I had not died a single time once. Which is crazy though. Now, this video is for a special guest. It is my brother's friend. See this object right here? I take a hit right there, and this ammo crit, and then I do a ammo crit doing 1,924 damage. No, I wait a bit for the enemies to come, and I get this WT Ritter. Well, make sure no one's there. I just obviously kill him because he's weak, and he's dead. 2 kills already. At the end of the zone, I had more kills than the boss. Oh, this is our boss right there. This is their boss. Pardon me. I kind of sit here and wait. I kind of just hit like I kind of hit one shot, the poison shot, because he escapes too much. My reload clip, interclip reload is too long. I kind of wait. I'm playing a smart move. I kind of just hide from all the other enemies, make sure I have backup. I like our boss right there, and this beast fight is getting absolutely shredded. He's dead. Let's see. And yeah, I kind of go over here. I kind of wait for the boss to appear. Now I'm playing the M-V-Yoh. It's a very powerful tank dealing 900 damage, sometimes 950, and rarely 1000 damage, if you use HE, of course. HE is that show. That's the object. Right there, sneaking. And yeah, he's gonna get shredded by the boss. Yeah, he doesn't make it alive. But there's their boss. If I look for object, I clip the shell right there, doing 567 damage. 6-7. They're down by 1 point. We're winning by 1 point. Kind of wait for him to lose health, and I shoot him eventually. But I do shoot this boy right here, the carrier 45, poisoning him, doing 1,147 damage. Now, I don't know how I managed to hit him, but he did run away. I don't know why I ran away. I don't know why I ran away. I could have hit him, but I was focused right there, this boss. I kill him right there. Now, eventually, I'll kill the object 268. Now, this is the crazy shot. I'm too slow, and I don't know how I managed to hit this. Boom. It's kind of like one of the weak corners right there. Apparently, I hit. They're getting smashed now. I would hit him, but I mean it's too risky. My shots could hit on the ground, so I'm gonna find another target. So I eventually find another target. Our Type 61 is getting black holed. That's one of the abilities. I don't have the Callistus. Don't know how to pronounce it. But I do find this VW Ritter I kill. I set his ass on fire, and then he's dead. Luckily, I have the BZ. He's a healer. I gain more hit points. Eventually, I'm at full hit points. There you go. I'm at 2115 hit points. Alright, there's the object, but the hill's blocking it. So I do go for E-Save 5, but he's going too fast. The guy killed the mouse. There's the object 268. Yeah, he's hiding right now. He knows that I will kill him because I ammo-racked him, dealing 1,924 damage, of course. And I do go for the E-Save 5, dealing poison one shot. Poison shot this guy right there, object 263. And I use my arms to deflect shells. And they're shell deflected. My gun was damaged, I repaired it. 8 to 18, 10 points ahead of them. I see this object 704, not letting him go through. Ammo rack, 1,216 damage. I'm pretty good at this game. Tell me in the comments what other tank would you like to see me play. I mean, this is a new account since on my other devices. I lost those accounts. This is a new accounts. I don't have many tanks. Can't get him yet. Don't worry. In the future, I'll get more tanks. Killed him. I push but I reverse since I'm not too sure. So I don't have a lot of backup near me. But I do have this BZ-75. So E-Save-5 right here. There I go because I can't see him. Poison show him on the turns. 529 damage is decent. Doing that. Of 955 damage. 1,168 damage. It's quite a bit of damage. Now, I do love this ability, Calistist, because it's poison shot, and you upgrade it to tier 5 a lot. It's very good. Not letting him escape. I hide so the E-Save 5 can't shoot me. It looks like he doesn't aim for me, luckily. But he does come for me. Tries to get me. He portals me so I can't really escape much. Deflected hit shot. Gotcha. Oh, and we win. Well, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.